little sideways on that one. That was a pretty good run for the first run though. I think we're getting 3, maybe 4 runs each. Excuse me, today. So we did I did 3 practice runs earlier. Today I'm running without traction control and without stability control. This is the first time I've run without the stability control on. So the car is a little more loose. Let's try not to go sideways this time. The wipers turned on and I forgot which side was wipers. But I think I did better that round. Definitely nailed that cone at the end. Probably nailed a couple others. Well, that's what those guys are out there for. That's what I'll be out there later for. Picking up cones, putting them back. One cone, I only see one person moving, maybe more, but I only saw one person moving. It's really hard, those the cracks in the pavement. It feels like you hit cones, it throws you off. Anyway, another good lap. It's always a good lap when you're out having fun. If you haven't tried this, you should definitely try it. You don't need a performance car. There's people out here in everyday Hyundais, like that one right there. That's been out on the track a few times. And then there's a Pontiac Fiero from the 80s, maybe the 90s. I think they're all from the 80s though, aren't they? And then we're rolling up on a Mazda 3. I mean, so you can come out here with whatever you want. No worries. I didn't even chat there. That was a nice lap. I think we got a cone again. We haven't did this without hitting a cone. But excuse me. I think that's probably the best run of the day so far for me. That was good. It felt good. Yeah. Let's see on the next one. We got a cone again. We got a cone again. We've got one more lap to do. I sure hope we can do it without hitting a cone. I don't know though. It's pretty tough. Pretty tough. The power steering's not working right. So it's got a really heavy feel to this power steering. And it's a wide car. I have to shrink a little bit. Final lap. Maybe no cones. I don't know, but I think maybe no cones on that one. We're gonna find out right now.
You spin my world around, 'cause you're the peace I finally found.